travels in a straight line and it enables us to see things around us. We have some optical devices here.
And I have studied the chapter web of light and the properties of mirror. Here I am holding two mirrors. First, this is a convex mirror and this is a concave mirror. Convex mirror forms erect and smaller images. That's why it is used in rear view mirrors of cars and motor vehicles. Here, this is a concave mirror. It forms virtual magnified image and real image also. It is used in dentists and in home for shaping purposes.
Aparna Tripathi. Today I have convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens forms magnified virtual image and it also forms real image. Here I have concave lens which forms a small virtual image. Concave lens is used in spectacles for those who have myopia, and the convex lens, they are used for those who have hypermetropia. Convex lens are also used in magnifying glasses. Here I also have a rectangular glass slab. This is used for lateral displacement. As you can see, my finger is laterally displaced from its place. Both these optical devices use refraction of light. Demonstrate the lateral displacement in glass slab. So here we have this glass slab and green laser light. This is incident ray. When this ray enters through the glass slab, here we can see it forms refracted ray. Then it emerges outside and this is called emergent ray. The perpendicular distance between emergent ray and incident ray is called lateral displacement. Forms real image and inverted image. Here I have screen and it will form real and inverted image. The outside view is the object and here I have the screen. As you can see, the image is formed inverted. You can also see that vehicles are moving. As you can see.
Everyone, my name is Surbhi from class 8th and today I am going to tell you about prism. So basically it is an optical device. When white light passes through it, it disperses white light into 7 different colors. That is known as dispersion of light. The patterns which is formed by this known as spectrum of light. We can also conclude it with our environment. For example, the rainbows, which is formed by water droplets. Water droplets act as prisms for creating rainbows. Let us demonstrate the deviation of light with the help of prism. Green laser light. This is base of the prism and this is vertex of the prism. This is actual path of the incident ray. When prism comes in between the ray, it deviates the light. This deviation is due to prism.
We students of class 8 study chemical effects of electric current. There are two types of solutions:
Conducting solutions and non-conducting solutions. Conducting solutions are those solutions which have free electrons in water and can conduct electricity.
Non-conducting solutions are the solutions which do not have any free electrons and therefore cannot conduct electricity.
To demonstrate if the pure water conducts electricity, we have this battery,
We have this electric motor.
And we have pure water.
so let's test. Let's test for the conduction of electric current in pure water.
Current does not conduct in pure water because there are no free electrons that can make it conducting. Now let us see if we can make it conducting or not.
Now I am going to make this pure water a conducting solution by adding some salt.
test.
Now, as we can see, that motor is running really fast because it is now having some free electrons, and as we have added salt, now it is a conducting solution, not a pure water anymore. And now as we can see that electrolysis in water is also taking place.
I'm Aparna Singh from class 8B, today going to demonstrate scientific test, which means to check the presence of protein in food items. So firstly we will be taking sample of milk today, when we will be adding 2 to 3 drops of concentrated nitric acid to it. If the color changes to white precipitate, it shows that presence of protein is there in the milk. Secondly, we will be boiling it onto the spirit lamp, and if the color changes to yellow precipitate, that shows the presence of protein in the milk. After that, we will be cooling the milk, and then we will be adding ammonia solution to it. If the color changes to reddish orange, that shows the protein presence in the milk. Let's start. We can see that the white precipitate is forming in this test tube, which shows that protein is present in the milk. Let's double check it. Now we are going to boil it on the spirit lamp. We can see that the color is changing to yellow. It seems that it is the protein is present in this. Now we will be adding ammonia solution to it. We will be waiting for a few minutes just to check that it gets cool. We can see that the color is changing to reddish orange, which tells that protein is present in this milk.